text makes everything easier to read without constantly opening record details. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on, and how to make your rows more comfortable to scan. Start by opening your browser and heading to Airtable. Sign into your account so you can access your workspaces. Once you're in, open the base that contains the table you want to clean up. If you use multiple views, make sure you're in the specific view where you want wrapping enabled, because this setting is saved per view. With your table open, look toward the top toolbar in your grid view. Click View Options. This opens a panel that controls how your data appears without changing the underlying records. It's where Airtable keeps display preferences like colors, grouping, and cell layout. In that panel, look for the Wrap Text setting. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll a bit. Wrap Text tells Airtable to display the full content of a cell on multiple lines, instead of truncating it to a single line with an ellipsis. Once you've found it, turn Wrap Text on. Now take a look at your table. Long entries, like notes, task descriptions, or long text fields, should immediately expand within their cells. You'll notice the content flows onto new lines, making it much easier to skim without opening each record. This won't change your column widths, it just breaks lines inside the cells. It's especially helpful when columns are narrow or you're working on a smaller screen. If some rows still feel cramped, adjust the row height for better visibility. In the same View Options panel, choose a taller row height so wrapped lines have room to breathe. Short keeps things dense, while medium, tall, or extra tall give you progressively more space. Pick the smallest height that still keeps your text readable. That way, you see more records at once without sacrificing clarity. That's all there is to it. Go to Airtable, sign in, open your base and table, click View Options, find Wrap Text, enable it, confirm your long text shows on multiple lines, and then adjust row height if you want a cleaner look. Remember, these changes affect only the current view, so you can keep one view compact and another fully expanded, depending on your workflow. If you ever need to revert, just toggle Wrap Text off. With this quick adjustment, your tables become far more scannable, and your team can digest information faster.